Charterhouse Court is a sheltered housing complex located close to Perth City Centre. Sheltered housing allows you to live independently in your property while having a housing support officer on site who will offer housing advice and ensure the properties are properly maintained. Here at Charterhouse Court, we have 34 one-bedroom flats in total, distributed over 3 floors. The access to the complex is via a secure door entry system. The building is fully accessible and there's a lift access to the upper floors.
I'm John. I've lived in Charterhouse buildings for over 5 years. It's nice and comfortable. I mean, I've got 3 windows open to the cats. It's nice and cosy because of the new heating. I even had a garden, which I liked. When we first came in, it was good, very good, because there was a lot going on and I was able to take part in a lot of the activities.
Each property has an alarm system in place, with pull cords that can be used in the event of an emergency. Assistance is available 24 hours a day from the community alarm team. We also have a communal laundry facility on the ground floor, with modern appliances and a drying space. Charterhouse Court has a lovely communal lounge which we use for social events. The lounge is well attended for a variety of gatherings and all tenants are welcome to join. Outside, we have a communal garden with a lovely sitting area. The building also has on-site parking for tenants, as well as scooter pods that are available for rental from the council. If you need further information about Charterhouse Court, you can visit www.pkc.gov.uk/sheltered housing.